Hello, here are some instructions to make an Origami Puffa Fish. So we start with a square, coloured side up, and we're going to fold it in half lengthwise. So line the edges together, hold them loosely, and crease. Then again into the coloured side, lengthwise, fold the edges together, and crease. Now we're going to turn over, and now we'll make diagonal folds. So we're folding the corners together, again hold them together, and then crease. Unfold, and the opposite corner. So fold the corners together, and crease. Now back to a square, white side up, and bring all those folds together, and we make a water bomb base. And flatten. Now on one side, we're going to fold over so the edge comes into the middle, and crease. Unfold, then lift it, separate the layers, and squash. Take the outer edges and fold them into the crease. On both sides. Now I'm going to fold one side over and squash. Now the lower section I'm folding up from the outer corner to the lower edge of the paper, so it's a diagonal fold, causing the lower white section to fold over and crease. We turn over, fold over, and I'm going to fold the same on the other side. So we folded the two sides up around the white point at the bottom. Then we hold it and slide it out and flatten. Now I'm going to fold the corners in. So fold the corners in there and on the other side. Now on the diagrams we fold in a little bit of the corner to make a rounder shape, but we haven't done it here. Turn over, and I'm going to repeat the process on this other side. So we're folding it over, into the middle, crease, fold it over, separate the layers, and squash. And fold the edges in, again into the middle crease, on both sides. Folding it back together. Then I'm going to fold these edges in. So that moves around, it gives it a sort of crimp, I suppose, on both sides. So we're tucking that in. Then I'm going to hold the point and slide it down. Then the edges begin to fold in again. I'm going to fold the corner up, so it should be the same as the layer beneath, and rotate. I'm going to take that corner and fold it down. So this lower edge, we're just trying to form the shape here, and then this corner folds over. It'll become the fin. Upper edge fold down. So the edge is folding down along the edge of the layer beneath, and that gives a uniform shape. Then the corner will fold over. I'm going to slide this lower point up. That will become a fin. You see it's sort of that crimp shape. It gives it a little fin, and then just going to fold that edge down and then put the fin on top. Turn over. And I'm going to do the same. So we're going to fold that edge over, and the lower edge should align with the layer beneath. Folding it back again. Then we just fold the edges over. Again, this is aligned with the layer beneath, so it gives it an even, uniform shape. Same at the front. Fold it down. And I'm just going to shape the fin a bit. So crimp that up. So that's our fish shape. Now there's actually a hole at the back. You could inflate it, but instead I'm just going to pull it. So it's inflating the model. And start with just opening it up. Sort of modelling here. So there's kind of a shape we've made earlier. I'd like to pull out some of this paper here. Give it a bit more volume. And just line it up. So it's a bit like the classic frog, but it's a fish. And there we go.